This song is written from a woman's perspective. The song talks about love. Words like Nana are generally used in songs which demonstrates love. Chap means a mark on Muslim's forehead due to sajda during prayers, and tilak refers to the red mark Hindus use on their forehead as a religious mark. Aap tilak sab chhine is a poem written and composed by Amir Khusro, a 14th century Sufi mystic. In this poem, it signifies the sacrifice of the ultimate earthly commitment, which is to one's marriage partner, which the writer made when his or her eyes met those of the beloved. It symbolizes the moment when the seeker discovers the presence of God and sacrifices all earthly commitments to follow the mystic path. You have taken away my look, chhap, my identity, tilak, and everything, sab, from me by looking into my eyes. You have said the unusual, Adam means secret of divine nature, just by a glance. By making me drink the love of devotion, you have intoxicated me by just a glance. My fair, delicate wrists with green bangles on them have been taken off by you with just a glance. I give my life to you, oh my cloth dyer. You have dyed me like yourself by just a glance. I give my whole life to you, oh Nizam. You have made me your bride by just a glance. You have said the wonder by just a glance. Chap tilak sab chine remo se naina milai ke. You have taken away my look, chap, my identity, tilak, and everything, sab, from me by looking into my eyes. Prem bhatika madhva pilai ke. By making me drink the love of devotion. Mat wali kar lini re moh se naina milai ke. You have intoxicated me by just a glance. Gori gori baiyan, hari hari chudiyan, my fair delicate wrists with green bangles on them. Baiyan pakad har lini re moh se naina milai ke. Have been taken off by you with just a glance. Bal bal jaiyun mein tore rang rajwa. You have dyed me like yourself by just a glance. Khusro Nizam ke bal bal jaiyo. I give my whole life to you, oh Nizam. Mohe soha gan kini re moh se naina milai ke. You have made me your bride by just a glance. Baat adham ke deni re moh se naina milai ke. You have said the wonder by just a glance.